Welcome. This episode we will be working on part 2-09 Front Wheel Stub Axle. Let's get building. Welcome to G-Tex Designs. I'm G-Tex. This episode we will be building part 2-09 Front Wheel Stub Axle. Let's open up the template. Oop, wrong one. That one, thank you. Okay, so we've got a cube type size with like a washer with a cylinder. So let's go to top, square center, dimension, and it's going to be 43.5 by 32, and that's going to be feature extrude by 32, mid plane, and done. Okay, that's good. Now on the end of this one, let's go to normal, sketch, cylinder, cylinder, or circle, sorry, we want to create cylinder, so that's going to be smart dimension, and that's going to be a circumference of 38. Try again. 38. There we go, and a thickness of 5. Feature, extrude, 5, and done. Beautiful. Now we're going to do another one that's going to be 65. So sketch, circle, smart, and that's going to be 22 circumference. 22 diameter. Circumference is our circle. We want straight through. And that's going to be a length of 65. Done. Now we want at the end of there, circle. That's going to be 12. Well, beautiful, and length of 12. Fair enough. And 12. And done. There we go. The cube, disc, cylinder. Now, that's going to be, let's put a thread on this one first. So that, nope, we want thread. There we go. It's going to be 12. Actually, that's one there, perfect. That one there, click that one, and up to selection, which is going to be this one, and done. There you go. Threads on there, beautiful. Now, on this side, we want to go to normalize, or normal to, sketch, zoom in a bit. In the, nope, it's not quite dead center, but there's still a circle. Probably not quite that big, but that's fine. It is 5 mil. It's going to be 18 center circle to the back end. 18. Let me put that down there out of the way. And that's going to be, this is in the center, so that point there to the center of the circle is going to be there. That's there. Now that is all the way through. So it's going to be feature, extrude, through all. Okay. There we go. Now we want this side. We want to go normal to, sketch, And it's going to be a circle again. Pretty much same as that one, but different size circle. That's going to be 19. These 2 points are going to be horizontal. And that's going to be 18 from here. And that's going to be through all. The feature, extrude, through all, and done. Okay, so now we want fillet. Fillet. Let's try one. It's going to be these 3 faces. Those, oh sorry, edges, not faces. Those 2 edges. Got that one this thing, and that one and that one. And that's going to be done. Ooh, might do a little bit less actually. 0.5. That's better. Okay, so that one's done there. Now we want to do this again. Add to this one. These points here. And done. There we go. Beautiful. Worked out. Actually worked out perfect. Yep. That's what we want. Okay, so nothing else. Nope. Let's do some color scheme. Alright, that's part 2-09 front wheel stub axle done for the Clayton Undertype steam wagon. Enjoyed that episode? Click the like button. If you want to see more, do subscribe. Leave comments below. I'll see you next episode. Remember, thank you very much.